Let's go, intro boy. Come on. The people are waiting. Do it up.
Down on your same level?
Yeah, get on my level. Do it up.
Are you recording already?
Hit them. Do
You're
an intro.
already
Let's go.
Okay. Welcome back to another episode of House and Home. A very special episode
Can you
of
hold
House
up my
and
arm?
Home. Okay.
Thanks.
All right. Look, very special episode of House and Home. So, as some of you may know, we got married in October, and we finally got around, or you finally got around, to editing the wedding. Can I just say, I have not told her this off camera. She did a fantastic job.
Oh, come on.
You did a really good job with this video. I hope you guys enjoy it because it's awesome. Like, I think you guys are really going to like it.
Especially with what I was actually having to work with.
Exactly, yeah. Videographer.
We'll talk about it later.
Yeah, wasn't the greatest. But he did a good job in capturing a lot of moments in very short bursts. And you did a really good job in working with what you had. So,
Thanks.
hope you enjoy it.
Me too.
So how do you feel about today?
Excited and nervous. And looking forward to getting it all done and wrapped up.
I guarantee you once the ceremony's over, it'll be fine.
Yeah, I think that's probably the most. Once I'm sitting down and like, maybe the speech might be a little bit hectic for me, but everything else is going to be just fine.
It's everyone staring at you pretty much.
Pretty much, yeah. Yeah. And I kind of do this for a living, but when it's in person, it's a little bit more difficult.
Okay, sorry to put you on the spot, but how do you feel today?
Super nervous. I keep on making everybody hold my hand. Hold my hand. I'm excited though, but I'm nervous. I'm ready.
so I guess being online isn't half bad.
Who said I love you first? Who's more romantic?
Come on, man. There you go.
This is a controversial one. Who's the better driver?
Come on.
Right, yeah. Well, speaking of driving, who's better when it comes to directions? Yeah.
Who drives stick?
Who snores louder? Who is going to pay the bills? All right, well, who's more likely to say something embarrassing in their sleep? Okay, I'm sure there's plenty of stories behind that. Who wakes up first? Early bird. Who is on their phone more? Who is more likely to lose their keys?
I'm timing.
I feel like there's a trend there. Who has more shoes? Okay. And this is the final question. The bonus round, if you will. Who do you love the most in the world?
So, we hope you liked it.
How'd you guys like it?
How was it? Comment below. So what we were saying, it was really difficult for me to edit that video. Obviously everybody knows that I'm like completely new. This is the third video I've ever done. So when we hired the videographer, it was a last second thing that we did. Dan found this person. He didn't like have a consultation with us. He didn't ask us what we wanted.
It was very last second, so we weren't gonna have a videographer, and then this one over here changed her mind last second. I'm like, oh great,
Well, you're
now
welcome,
I gotta find
guys.
a wedding videographer in like a week.
Yeah, it was a little bit stressful, I think. Too.
Yeah.
But that being said, we didn't have a consultation with him. But I really didn't think that we needed to, because from a videographer, I expected, I'm going to say 3 things. 1, the edited video and the originals, which we talked to him about. We knew we were going to get the originals. 2, video footage. 3, I don't think that this was asking for too much, but audio.
Right, so what he did is 90% of the clips, he had shot them in slow motion with no audio, which kind of
Except
sucks
for
for editing.
speeches.
Right.
And the ceremony, which we didn't really share the ceremony, like us doing our vows, because we wanted to keep some stuff private, kind of just between us and people that were there that day celebrating.
Yeah, so it kind of sucks that he did that, because obviously if we wanted to slow it down and remove audio, we can do that in post-production. We can't do that. Well, we can't add audio. I guess we could speed it up to normal speed, but we cannot add audio after the fact. So it does kind of suck that he did that.
So anyway, so hopefully that you guys like it, but that's what I was working with. Also, there was a couple of things that were like missed in the video footage, which I think you guys would probably be interested in seeing, like invitations. I also did a little DIY, funny story. This was like 4 days before the wedding. We were gonna buy these little baby boo pumpkins, which are cute little white pumpkins, and stick the name tags for everybody was seating, like for their tables. And it was my little DIY project. So we order the name tags of where everybody's sitting, not a big deal. I go to buy the pumpkins, they're completely sold out. So I'm like, oh, not a big deal. They'll be somewhere else. So we start looking online at grocery stores. Dan gets involved. I'm literally in tears at this point because the cards have already been ordered. It's super close to the wedding and we can't find these pumpkins anywhere. Where do we find them? In Cambridge, which is like 2 hours away from us. So we literally jumped in our car. We called ahead of time. We said, put all the pumpkins aside. We went down to go grab them. We picked them up and it looked like these pumpkins, because it was the end of the season, had been sitting in a room with somebody just chain smoking. They were yellow.
They were a little bit yellow.
They were a lot yellow, and I wish that I had taken pictures. They weren't a little bit, they were a lot. So we bought all the pumpkins, and we were going to try to pick out like the whitest ones, because it's like crisp, it's for a wedding, it's fresh. Yeah, no, they weren't. So I went to go grab a spray paint can. Dan was like, don't do this. So again, a couple of days before the wedding, I'm holding these pumpkins, spray painting, trying not to get it on myself. Had to put on a long sleeve shirt. I was wearing these like little gloves. It took me, I think, 10 hours in total to do these little DIY pumpkins. I was so proud of them though at the end of the day, because after spray painting them, I then had to cut the tops of the stems off, keep a little bit. Then I had to X-Acto knife slice down the middle of the stem, take these little cards, test it, make sure it fit, went deep enough, move them out of the way, I used Gorilla Glue, Gorilla glued them, and then stuck them back in, held them for a couple of seconds, moved on, did the next. This took me such a long time.
But they turned out great.
Thank you.
Yeah, they turned out great. And my arm's getting tired. So...
the little pumpkins aren't... I guess it's not a really big deal. I just wanted to share. It's a funny story before.
Yeah. You did good. You managed to pull it off. I mean, there was a lot of stuff that we did last minute. Like, right up until the night before, we were painting the rooms that we were supposed to get ready. Or the room, I should say, that we were supposed to get ready in. So, like... crazy month, I guess, but it all turned out okay.
And I want to say, to no fault of our own, like we did our best with as far as like the renovations, but we desperately wanted pictures on the property, which is why we had to get ready at the house. It didn't really permit us getting ready at somewhere else and then coming back to the house, because we live in the country and there's nothing around us.
And should we say the venue where we got married?
Yeah, why not?
Cambium Farms, really nice place and really nice people.
Yeah,
no regrets about that at all.
They did such a great job. So supportive, so helpful.
Yeah.
Stayed on top of things with emailing. Vicky was our wedding planner. Oh my gosh, perfect planners. She did such a great job.
Yeah. Arm's getting so tired.
Okay.
Okay. That's it? You're done? You're just gonna...
Purple Tree did our photos. So what I'm going to do is if you don't follow us on Instagram, that's kind of a big deal because I'm going to post a ton of, well, not a ton, but a couple like bursts or whatever.
Photos.
What Purple Tree did. And they did such a great job.
Yep. Oh, look who came to visit. I don't know if you can get him in here.
Sage.
Oh, well, at least I can switch arms. Hey, buddy. Oh, wait. Oh, nope. The other way. There he is. Oh,
there's that perfect face.
There he is.
Hi, handsome boy.
He came to visit.
He's one
so
in 3,000 apparently. He's a calico cat.
That's what one of the comments, one of the commenters said. So that's kind of cool. I don't know if it's true or not, but
we've been researching.
Yeah, he's a nice little guy.
So are you.
Thanks.
Oh my God.
Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and you did a fantastic job.
I did okay. I'm not a pro, but I tried to get as much that
fantastic
you guys would see because I didn't include any of the guests, and that was really difficult.
Right? Yeah, because then we'd have to ask permission, and there was a lot of people. So
yeah.
I mean, not in the grand scheme of things, not a lot of people, but a lot of people to ask permission of. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Please click the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and if you want to keep up with our adventures, and follow us on Instagram. Can't stress that enough.
HouseIntoHome.
HouseIntoHome ET.
It's YT.
The link is in the description anyway. So
okay.
yeah. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.
Bye.